Hey guys, in this video I'm going to review the Meguiars Two Step Headlight Restoration Kit. I will be using it on my 2013 Honda Accord, which as you can see has a pretty bad left headlight, the right not so much. I don't have experience doing this. I picked it up at the store today and I want to know, will this work? Now the first thing I did was to wipe the headlights clean using just Windex and water and drying them off with a microfiber towel. The next step was to tape off the edges of the headlight so I would not damage the paint when I'm sanding or applying the cleaning solution. Now for the cleaning solution, the directions call for applying about a quarter size drop to your cleaning pad, but you are going to use a lot more than that to cover the entire surface of your headlight. Now as the directions indicate, I used the back and forth motion to clean the headlight. I also had to go back and apply more solution to cover the entire headlight. The solution seems to dry up fairly quickly, so I tried to be as fast as possible while I was cleaning. I also initially did not apply too much pressure on this cleaning pad, but since I really wanted to make sure I got this headlight clean, in some areas I would apply a little bit more pressure. When you're done with the cleaning pad, the next step is to wipe the headlight clean of all the cleaning solution. So use a damp rag and then use a dry rag to make sure the headlight is completely dry. To clean and dry the headlights, I'm using the microfiber towels so that they don't leave any residue on the headlights. And that completes step one. After this step, you should see a haze on your headlight. Now that's completely normal, and the next step will be to apply the headlight coating. Now for the first pass of the headlight coating, you want to cover each previous pass by 50%. So if you move your hand in one direction, go back about halfway where you previously went and go again. And just repeat this until you cover the entire headlight. Now I may not have followed this exactly, but I'm pretty sure I got the complete headlight covered. And you are actually viewing the second pass, the second coating, because for the first coating I forgot to hit record, so I missed out on that. So this is actually the second coating. And I actually went back for a third and maybe even a partial fourth coating. I wanted to really make sure I covered this entire headlight to give it the best protection possible. Now I'm not sure if there's any reason why you should not apply more coats. If there is and you know, please comment below. Again, this is my first time doing this and I just wanted to see if just anyone can do it. And that completes the two steps. You're pretty much done. So this is what it's looking like. I think it looks a lot better than what it did. There is a little bit of haze I see on the headlights, but take a look at the before and after and you tell me, what do you think? Was this a success or a fail? You be the judge. And that concludes my review of the Meguiars Two Step Headlight Restoration Kit. If you liked this video or found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Typically I share stuff about 3D modeling and architecture, but occasionally I'll share stuff about my Honda. Thanks for watching.